Hey guys, I'm here today wearing these beautiful Essex green thigh-high boots. They are the 2.0 and they have the platform and the wooden heel. I absolutely love them. I don't know if you guys know or not, but green is my all-time favorite color. But you know, I'm wearing this today with hopes that spring is coming soon because it's real cold here in Pennsylvania. So if you would like to purchase a pair, want more information, go ahead and check out the link below, and hopefully we'll see you in warmer weather. Bye.